what you want, what you want.
Hi, my name is Carl and I wanted to introduce to you Basis 2 Global Internet Marketing Dashboard. Flat-rate marketing, just advertise as much as you want. Imagine a tool, just €5 monthly, that means about $7 per month. You can test it 72 hours for free and it is totally unlimited. You can store as much contacts as you like, 5,000, 10,000, 50,000, 100,000, and you can even send out as much messages, as much mails, as much newsletters as you like. Totally unlimited, and let me show you what it means. Imagine you start a campaign for your product or your service. In Basis 2 you simply choose a suitable landing page out of more than 200 templates for different branches, or what's a very cool feature, you design them by yourself with an editor that's as easy as writing a letter. You create a follow-up with unlimited emails with a highly professional editor, which will be sent out automatically. Such you can create a complete sales process on autopilot, up to closing the sale and giving after-sale services. Same with your list. You can send out your campaign even to your already existing list. Just import them all. You can import unlimited number of contacts in Basis 2 and use them with our professional filtering system for a targeted marketing. You even for mailing can create a follow-up with unlimited emails which will be sent out automatically. Thus even for your list you can create a complete targeted sales process on autopilot up to closing the sale and giving after sales services. How does it work? Let's have a look at an example. Let's just make a campaign. First I create a landing page. I can create in this editor whatever I like and whatever you can create in HTML. You can use pictures, you can use videos, you can use Flash, you can use everything you normally even find on web pages. For the specialists and profs, you can even use external CSS style sheets, you can use JavaScript, and you can use ActiveX, only to mention some of the possibilities. We have a lot of templates which you can use to start, or you can start it with your own ideas and layout. So there is no limit, and we are even able to, for example, create multiple landing pages. And what is even a cool feature, you can even just design a form. Why that? Well, for example, maybe you simply need a form which you can put in your own blog, in your own web page. Then you use Basis 2 to design this form, to make the layout according to your to your homepage design, for example, or your blog, and you can put it simply in the blog by filling it in with a iframe. How it is done? We have a lot of knowledge base and how-to videos where it is shown to you. So there are a lot of additional features which can be used with these editors and with the landing page. Okay, I have created my landing page, or I have taken a template from Basis 2, doesn't matter. Next I will make my emails for the follow-up. I myself, for example, prefer to make even the opt-in mail a little bit stylish. So in this case, for example, I made a double opt-in mail with a header, with a footer, and with my personal data. You can even use, of course, a normal text mail. This depends on your personal opinion. And after the opt-in, I have in this case a mail where somebody can register for Basis 2 in this case. And what is interesting, this form, this is designed with a background with all the fields which I need. You can combine the fields according to your needs, even for the forms in your landing pages. And you see the design is same as the opt-in. We can simply therefore copy such developed designs in another email or in another landing page. After somebody registers, they get from me a mail with some introduction and some explanation about Basis 2, about back office and whatever he wants to know. I could continue that as I like. I could invite him to webinars, I could invite him to workshops, I could tell him other possibilities with the vision team and so on. So you can, by your own marketing campaign, decide how much mails and how and when they shall be sent out. When I have made my emails, I make a follow-up. Follow-up means I tell the system which mails have to be sent out when somebody registers and when, in what intervals they have to be sent out. I make this follow-up, and when it's saved, I simply combine it, you see it in the second picture, with the landing page. That's all, and I'm done. And from this moment onward, everybody who is registering on my landing page will get these follow-ups. Some examples of other landing pages. I'm sure in the next weeks and months we will get a lot of more designs from our clients, so feel free to send us some of your fantastic landing pages. We will be happy even to publish them if you like. Okay, sending to my list is even as easy. First of all, I import, for example, my contacts. I can do that by importing them one by one, a little bit tough work if you have some hundreds or some thousands. So it's much more easy to import just a CSV file, and this is very easy to be done. You have to format it by the fields which we need, and we have even for that, of course, a video where it is explained step by step. What is important is you can use tags. You can add tags to every imported table or to every imported contact, and thus you can later filter it by these tags. You can filter anyway by all fields you see here on the left side of the page, but you can even filter by tags. And for example, you have tag 1 is friends and family and clients and whatever you like, and later when you make the sending, you define the filters simply according to your tags. So then you have endless possibilities to target your marketing, a great feature. This is filtering, and you can see we have here a lot of fields from the database which you can filter out, and then additionally the field tags makes you able, let's say, to find out all your contacts in America, in Milwaukee, with the postcode from to in the age of 20 to 75, and men or women and whatever you want. So you can combine as much filters as you like, and therefore target your marketing as tough as you want. Now I even from my emails for which I want to send out to my list, I make a follow-up, and I combine this follow-up with my filtering, and then I have my mailing list. That means my mailing list is always a combination of emails, the so-called follow-up, with the filterings. I combine them, and then I plan the dispatch and can send them out whenever I want. I mentioned already we have a knowledge base, we have videos, we have workshops, we make webinars, and of course you get all the scheduling for these video webinars and workshops, and if you like, we would be very happy to say hello to you there. You find to all different subjects of the program of Basis 2 videos in this page, and you find a link in your Basis 2 back office to this knowledge base. Let's talk a little bit about monthly fees. Compare a little bit with what's on the market. Take in consideration, Basis 2 is not just an autoresponder, but has many additional features you will not or very seldom find in any of the others. Landing page templates, custom landing page design, very professional. What you see is what you get. We have a built-in URL shortening, follow-up emails, and much more. List filtering, marketing video player, multilingual, earn commissions without sponsoring, and earn extra commissions by recommending Basis 2. I must not say such much words to the table, just have a look at it and you will see we have an unbeatable price for unbeatable product. Let's summarize. Professional HTML emails, email delivery without limitation, landing page templates, custom landing page design, first class what you see is what you get editor, built-in URL shortening, autoresponders, follow-up emails, newsletter, marketing video player, multilingual, and as told, you can earn commissions even without sponsoring. How does it work? Well, we have a direct commission. This is meant when you recommend Basis 2, and for every new user sponsored by you and taking advantage of our yearly payment, means he will save 10 euro. It is only 50 euro instead of 60 euro by monthly payment. We pay commissions up to 8 levels according to the following marketing plan. It is in the first level direct commission 5 euro, then 3 levels with 1 euro, and an additional 4 levels with 50 euro cent. Highly interesting is our planned forced 4 matrix. Everyone who buys these tools is entered in the so-called forced matrix at the next free position, independent on who sponsored him. This matrix, which is only one worldwide, is filled up from left to right and from above to below. Over time, therefore, users of Basis 2 will be positioned under you. And this runs in the way that always 4 people are positioned under the upper one, and in the first level, for example, you get your 5 euro back, in the next level plus 4, then plus 16, and so on. And if you summarize all this and count it together, you have about 21,000 euro you can earn by passive commissions during the time. This is not tomorrow, not in 2 or 3 months, but it will come. Because we are sure Basis 2 will be a product which will go around the world. Now, if you hurry a little bit up, we have a very interesting and very profitable extra bonus. We have a rally running till end of the year, till 31st of December, and you can earn up to 4,000 euro extra bonus. How it works? Very easy. For all recommendations, for all new users who make yearly payments, you get, if you reach 100 new users, 1,000 euro extra bonus. If you find 200 plus 1,250, and if you find 300 plus 1,750. Means when you find 300 users which pay annual, you get 4,000 euro extra bonus. That's a good money, and additional, of course, you get the direct commission, which is 5 euro per user. Totally it is 5,500 euro. So what are you waiting for? Hurry a little bit up and tell it to your list. I think it is a product which is easy to be sold. If people know and if people learn it, they will love it. We say in Germany, meanwhile, we do not have clients, we have fans. We would be very happy if you would get fan of us too. Would be very happy to learn you. Register now and bring your marketing up to a new level. Welcome and to your success.